What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could start feeling a real difference in your body? Not perfect, not completely transformed, but noticeably better. More energy, better mood, slightly clearer mind. Because here's the truth. Most people don't need extreme changes. They just need a simple reset. A way to gently bring their body back into balance. And if you've been feeling tired, overwhelmed, not quite like yourself, this 7-day menopause reset plan is designed for you. Not to fix everything overnight, but to help you feel a shift, a real one. Let's start with something important. This is not about doing everything perfectly. It's about consistency. Small actions, repeated daily, that give your body the support it's been missing. So let's walk through this together, day by day. Day 1 is all about awareness. Before changing anything, just observe. How do you feel when you wake up? What is your energy like? What are you eating? How are you sleeping? Because you can't improve what you don't understand, and this awareness becomes your starting point. Day 2 is about hydration. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Start your day with water. Stay consistent throughout the day. You'll be surprised how much this alone can impact your energy and clarity. Many menopause symptoms, like fatigue and headaches, can feel worse when your body is dehydrated. So this step matters more than it seems. Day 3 is about movement. Not intense workouts, not pressure, just movement. A short walk, light stretching, something that gets your body active without exhausting it. And here's what happens. Your circulation improves. Your mood lifts. Your body starts waking up again. It's a small shift, but you'll feel it. Day 4 is about food awareness. Not dieting, not restriction, just awareness. Pay attention to what makes you feel better and what doesn't. Maybe certain foods leave you feeling heavy or tired. Maybe others give you stable energy. Start noticing these patterns because your body is giving you feedback all the time. Day 5 is about your mornings. Instead of rushing into stress, create a slower, calmer start. Even 5 to 10 minutes of quiet time can change how your entire day feels. This is where you begin taking control of your day instead of reacting to it. Day 6 is about your nights. Focus on creating a simple wind-down routine. Reduce screen time. Keep things calm. Give your body time to relax before sleep. Because better nights lead to better mornings. And better mornings lead to better days. Day 7 is about reflection. Look back at the week. What felt different? What improved, even slightly? Maybe your energy is a bit more stable. Maybe your mood feels calmer. Maybe your sleep is just a little better. These small improvements matter because they show you something important. Change is possible. Now here's the key. This is not just a 7-day plan. It's a starting point, a reset. After these 7 days, you don't go back to old habits. You take what worked and continue building on it, slowly, naturally, without pressure. And here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to do everything at once. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because menopause is not about losing control. It's about learning a new way to support your body. And when you give your body the right support, even small changes can create powerful results. Now imagine this. You feel a little more in control, a little more balanced, a little more like yourself again. That's what this reset is about. Not perfection, but progress. So if you're ready, start with day 1. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and give yourself the space to improve, one day at a time. If this plan feels helpful, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm, because small, simple strategies like this can completely change how you experience menopause. And in the comments, tell me, if you had to pick one day to start with, which one feels the easiest for you right now?